apps. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus from your POCO M4. So if you see something like that in your notification bar, or you have a lot of spam pop-ups when you're trying to visit a site, that means you have a notification software, and you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. Now I'm gonna show you the first method. Open the settings, then go to the apps, and choose the manage apps. Now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you cannot install it by yourself, the app that you not recognize name, just select it and choose uninstall. Click OK. After that, go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Select the data usage, go to the storage. Select the clear data and choose manage space. Tap on the clear all data and confirm it by OK. After that your web browser shall be free from notification software. But you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm gonna show you how you can do it on the Avast application. Now click on the continue with ads and choose green circle. Tap on the OK and add a permission to the files. Now just go back. The scanning process shall start automatically, and after that your phone shall be free from any unwanted software that you have on your storage. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.